In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build a Wix website from scratch, even if you have zero experience. Wix is one of the easiest website builders out there, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional website live on the internet. This guide is perfect for beginners, small business owners, freelancers, or anyone who wants a professional website without coding. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy website tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. You'll need to sign in with your Wix account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes using your email or Google login. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your website's settings and tools. Next, from the dashboard, look for the option that says Create Site and click on it. Wix will now guide you through the website creation process. At this stage, Wix may ask you a few questions about what type of website you want to build, such as a business website, portfolio, or personal site. Answer these prompts as accurately as possible, because Wix uses them to suggest layouts and features that fit your needs. After that, click on the option to use a studio template. Wix Studio templates are professionally designed and optimized, which means you don't need to start from a blank page. This saves a huge amount of time and gives your site a polished look right away. You'll now see a library of templates organized by categories, like business, services, creative, and more. Browse through the templates and choose one that matches your vision. Don't worry about getting it perfect at this stage, because everything can be customized later. Once you find a template you like, click on Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Now comes the fun part, editing your website. Inside the Wix editor, you can click on any text to change it, replace images with your own, adjust colors, and modify layouts. You can add new sections, pages, buttons, and features using the tools on the left side of the editor. Take your time here and customize the site to match your brand or personal style. You can also add important pages, like an About page, Contact page, or Services page. Wix makes this simple with drag-and-drop tools, so you don't need any technical skills. As you're editing, make sure to preview your site on both desktop and mobile to ensure it looks great on all devices. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to publish your website. Click the Publish button in the top right corner. Wix will prompt you to choose a domain. You can use a free Wix subdomain or connect your own custom domain for a more professional appearance. And that's it. You've successfully built and published a Wix website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to build a website easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.